Welcome back, my dear students of class 6. Dear students, we are going to learn the chapter 4 question and answer. And chapter 4 is sorting material into groups. So, first of all, take the example of the MCQ that is given on the page number 69. Page number 69. Given MCQs are: the hardest substance is a diamond. A, that is 1A, that is diamond. And 2, which one of the following objects is transparent? So water will be the transparent. B, 2B. 3, which of the following will sink in water? Piece of paper, feather, dry leaf, coin. So D. 3, D. Then 4, which one of the following material is magnetic? Glass, plastic, copper, iron. C, iron. 4, C. Iron is the magnetic. And 5, which of the following is insoluble in water? Salt, milk, sugar, sand. That is sand. C, 5C. So 5C is the correct answer. 6, which of the following material is not lustrous? Gold, silver, diamond, wood. So answer will be C. 6C. Wood is non-lustrous. Students, come to next question, that is an iron nail is kept in each of the following liquid, in which case it loses its shine and appearance? Mustard oil, coconut oil, soft drink, and kerosene. So that will be in soft drink. It will be dull. Answer will be B. So 7B. Pick the material from the following which is completely soluble in water: chalk powder, tea leaves, sawdust, glucose. So C, that will be the glucose, which is completely soluble in water. You are provided with the following materials: magnifying glass, mirror, glass tumbler, stainless steel plate. So which of the above material will you identify as transparent? C, first and fourth. C, first and fourth. 9C. So magnifying glass and glass tumbler is the transparent material. Bujo found a bag containing the following materials: mirror, paper stained with oil, glass spectacles, magnet. Opaque. So paper will be this paper, second and fourth. Answer will be D. 10D. 10D. 11. While doing an activity in class, the teacher asked Paheli to hand over a translucent material. Which among the following material will Paheli pick and give her teacher? So translucent will be the muslin cloth. glass tumbler. That will be the A, 11A. Then, which pair of the following substance would float in a tumbler half filled with water? Cotton thread, thermocol. So A, cotton thread and thermocol. A. B, plastic ball and feather. So 11, 12 is B. 13, which among the following commonly used for making safety pin? Steel and plastic, leather and plastic, steel and plastic, that is D. 13B. 13B. And now 14, which of the following material is not lustrous? Wood. So answer will be D. 14D. 15, which of the following statement is not true? Material are grouped into for the convenience. Material group to study their properties. Materials are grouped to for fun. So B, 15B, 15B, and 16. Find the odd one out from the following: tawa, spade, eraser, pressure cooker. So eraser will be the odd one. B, 16B. Now 17. Which type of the following material is used for making the front glass? Front glass windscreen car. That is transparent. A. 17A. And there is an activity that you can do in your book and match the column. Third, that is the match surgical equipment. 1A, 2B, 3 electrical switches, 1C, 2D, electrical switches, plastic, 3A, and 4B. Then fill in the blank. Third, 4. Fill in the blanks. So dear students, question number 1, dash material do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque, OPAC, opaque. Sugar dissolved in water, so we say that it is soluble in water. Soluble in water. 3. Liquid which mix completely are called miscible liquid. Miscible. And 4. Dash and dash are example of synthetic fiber. Nylon and rayon. complete the very short answer question and long answer question in your exercise copy, in your fair copy. So dear students, you are watching this video for the convenience of the solving the questions. And now come to some questions like very short answer question. And number one question, that is a defined classification. So classification can be defined as the grouping of the material for the convenience of the study about them and for the convenience of their uses. What do you mean by the properties of a material? The properties of a material can be defined as the properties which tell about the appearance of that material, hardness of that material, reactivity of that material, and these properties are called the different properties of the material. Name the property on which the floating and sinking of a body depends. Name the property on which the floating and sinking of a property. The property of mass. So mass is the property which decides that particular thing is either it will float or it will sink. What would happen if the density of the material is the same as that of the surrounding liquid? If the density of the material is same, then that particular material will float on the surface of that. List 5 physical properties of the materials: hardness, lustering, conductivity, reactivity, and one more, that is the appearance. Why solubility of oxygen in water is important? The oxygen is found in the dissolved form in the water especially for the respiration for the aquatic animals. So my dear student, you have to complete these questions, very short answer and long answer question in your fair copy. So therefore complete it, utilize your time, and thank you very much for watching this video.